Hey girls, I know that there were some questions on the quiz, so I kind of want to take some time to answer those now. I'm sorry if you can hear the birds chirping in the background. I'm working outside, so I hope that's not too distracting. I think where we left off, what I really wanted to go over was just 21 to 25. What I'm going to do is I'm going to snip that and put it into a OneNote so we can do just that. So let's do that. Okay, and let's copy this, put this in OneNote. Okay, so this is the 7A quiz. Okay, let's make that a little bigger. So this blue shirt cost $25. I think where we made most of our mistakes was using the verb cost. So remember the verb cost is costar, right? Equals to cost. Look at that brand new stylus. So if we're saying that this blue shirt costs $25, I'm saying, so first of all, this, remember, is going to be, we're talking about shirt, camisa. So esta camisa azul. Remember, in Spanish, the noun always has to come before the adjective. So when we're using the verb costar, we really have two options. Cuestan and cuesta. So you should have cuesta $25. I think this is the one that was wrong on the key. You have to go back and look at that. So if you put 25 and it counted it wrong, you will get those points. So don't worry about that. How much do these shoes cost? So this is a question. So first thing you need to have is this. You should have cuánto cuestan. If you put this as plural and it counted it wrong, I'll give you a point back. Estos zapatos. So how much do these shoes cost? Estos matches zapatos, so make sure that it is plural masculine. That gray shirt way over there, so that means we're going to use aquel or aquella. In this case, let's start at the beginning. That gray shirt way over there. So we have to find the noun that we're talking about. It is shirt, so that means aquella camisa cuesta $45. How much is that red skirt? That red skirt. So we're asking questions, so make sure you start with this. How much? ¿Cuánto? If you didn't put an accent, that's it is wrong. It doesn't mean the same thing without the accent, so make sure you have that. ¿Cuánto cuesta that red skirt? Esa camisa roja. How much do these shoes cost? That's the same one as it there. So really this quiz is going to be out of 24 and everyone's going to get 2 points back because of the mistakes, if that makes sense. So let me know if you still have questions, but that is how you do that part.